And you have We Are the Dynamites, the YouTube page. How much of Baby Feather will you share with the public?
Um, Actually, nung una, we were excited. Like si Liv kasi, gumawa siya ng IG account na Feather Prats kasi gusto niya na makuha yung name. Because like ako, hindi ko makuha yung John Prats lang kasi someone took it. So, gusto niya nang kunin yung Feather Prats para sa kanya na yan. And so we were so excited before lumabas. And then nung paglabas, nakakalimutan namin dahil siguro the joy and the excitement na nandun, hindi namin masyado na-share. And parang gusto muna namin i-keep muna sa amin yung si Baby Feather, and then eventually we'll definitely share kung ano yung itsura niya at mag-decide kung sino kamukha talaga. Sorry.
Ba't yun yung name na ano yun, sa kanya?
Well, Feather because it's light. Parang in frustration kasi namin mag-asawa to have a very unique name. Kasi like ako, napagkakamalang pa akong John Lapus and alam mo, ang daming John eh. So ang daming John. So frustration namin na to have a unique name. So very, pinag-isipan talaga namin and then Lily, yung mother-in-law kasi parang we just changed na the spelling and gusto rin kasi ni Liv si Lily Collins, so we just put Lily Feather and then L-I for Lily and F-E for Feather, then that's her nickname Life.